packet?
I don't know.
Hey, bro, pause the video.
Pause the video.
Nope, we got nothing.
Got nothing.
How many packets do I have?
Probably like 20.
Joshua, can you put your device lower? Nothing.
Oh, gosh.
What is this? Oh, I don't know. What is this?
Reverse hollow Kabuto.
That good one?
Hey.
Better than what you opened so far.
Yeah, that's the best one.
I'll open that later.
Well, Daddy gonna record us, so.
Neither.
This one don't have it. Babe,
Open it from the top.
I don't know what's in there.
You got a knife right next to you.
We're about to get a nice. Okay. What's this? What is it? I don't know what's that.
What's just a reverse hollow?
Just
Nothing
reverse hollow.
too special.
And I'm getting a little fun.
Well, all the things are all the way down here. I was like, what the heck? I don't know what's this. What's this?
Another hollow.
I don't know what's that.
Or like the one that you were gonna buy. Those are worth. Those are a little bit better than that, but it's not gonna be much.
For like 50 cents.
Yep. 40 cents.
Yeah, I'm not pay $2.
That's what I say. You're not that bright, buddy.
No, I'm not gonna pay it. What is this? It's a shiny one.
It's a hollow. Same thing.
Hollow Jumanji.
But it's so cute though. But I like it.
Legendary Pokemon.
Oh, it's a legendary. It looks like the twinkle twinkle little star. The star.
Because it's supposed to be like that.
You don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got nothing on this one. I got a squirrel. Yeah, I don't know where these. These are some kind. Alright. Okay, I have to use.
Dude, you need to open faster though.
Move that away, boy.
Take you 10 minutes just to open 10 pack. Come on.
Don't take me 10 minutes. Man, I ain't no pro. Nothing. I'm trying my best to do it. This one looks thick. Nothing. So we're doing who get the best part?
Yep.
Baby, you have to share this one with me. Meow. What is this? My hollow part. What is it?
Not good.
Nothing.
The last pack didn't even get a single one. Nothing but garbage. See, you can't even open one the right way. You already bent all of them. I might have throw that in the garbage.
There's nothing good anyway. There you go.
You always want to open card, but you don't even know how to open. Alright.
I don't have my spit on.
My turn?
Who's next? Hey, bro.
No, take Josh.
All right, fat boy. Let me see what you got. The 1-pack wheezing pack. All right.
Get out of that one. Chuck.
First pack of the
Let me
day.
see what it is. What pack is it?
Pikachu.
VV Voltage. Oh, got a chance to get a fat Pikachu.
It's automatic. I got these, huh? Right, automatic.
The package comes with a wheezing coffee and a wheezing holographic.
Do you need help?
And a little
Don't know what that.
coin.
Ever, what is that? Do you know?
It's like, so they play that in
Wait,
Pokemon.
Doc. Flip it the other way.
So those are the Pokemon games.
Four.
Okay. Start showing one at a time, boy.
One at a time. Put it down.
Put it down. Hold the other card. Don't make it fall. Okay, one at a time. Don't bend it too. Oh my God, boy, you're doing it too long.
He's scared to make it fall.
Mega, I don't know. Can't see.
Gotta hold it better, boy, so we don't want to reveal what's behind it. Okay?
Oh, Jigglypuff.
This is Capri, boy.
Oh,
I don't even know.
It's a Wilmer.
Wilmar,
Alright, let's see what's behind that one.
Excavator,
It's a
Latika,
cube.
a holographic Alistair,
What is it?
and then we have Woodburn.
Garbage. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
It's just shiny.
You just got nothing.
It is a shiny one.
No, it's shiny.
That is a shiny one.
It's only this one, reverse hollow trainer card.
This one's not shiny.
Go away, bro.
Okay.
Could have got a fat Pikachu, but nope. Here comes another Dollar Tree pack. There we go, Pato. These are yours.
Yeah,
How much you at the end, John?
yeah.
Dude, you're supposed to show up first. We don't even know what you got.
Meow.
I'll just because mine earlier it was like Nicole.
You gotta show down here. I'm gonna see nothing.
Don't do that. You do one at a time.
Woodburn. No.
Người sao thấy ra thì mất thấy đi nói cái gì. Thơ tuôn rồi luôn kìa.
Open when I show.
Nothing.
Put this one in here.
And the last pack.
No, we need one more.
And we got a regular hollow.
Oh,
There
she
you
got
go,
it.
the hollow palm and top. That's the only one she got.
Do one more back. Please. Put it here.
Say good.
Oh, he got another.
Nothing.
This one.
I swear, all my cards sucked.
Okay.
Alright. Here goes nothing.
Use my sharpener.
Off the back, got a reverse hollow PG. Open it. Nothing. See ya. Full art. GX.
It looked like
There
it.
we go. Boom!
Ooh, where is it?
I really win. It's a full art Hoopa GX.
Oh my. Did you wait?
I did not wait.
Liar.
Why did I wait?
Oh look, it's Hoopa.
Off the bat.
How much is that? It's
Don't know, not much.
$2.
These are the dollar pack. You can't get too much.
Is it $2?
Well, go give me the scissors over there.
The scissors? But mom has a knife.
Look at it on top of the microwave. There should be a scissor.
You don't want to behave. These look kind of bent.
Behind the microwave. Do you see it?
And these are still tight.
Wait, I see the pack of scissors.
Yeah, just bring me that. And open the pack of scissors. Give it to Daddy if you need it.
You know, the reverse hollow.
Put it next to your daddy if he could use it. Because I told you it's hard to open. Oh, another one.
Reverse hollow gold duck.
No, God.
Boy, you're supposed to record better.
I am.
It's like an original Paris. Old fashioned. Nope. Nothing good so far. Let's put them back on.
Huh?
Got a dragon there.
Is it shiny? No.
No. Nope. Nothing. Here comes the final pack.
One for me.
I swear. Why?
Yep. Which one you choose? Choose one.
Comes with a Gengar pin, a collide, and a breakpoint. I'll choose Gyarados, I guess. Here goes nothing. There's a card. Anybody want it? Ooh.
What happened?
I think I can figure out something. Oh my god! I did it wrong. What the heck? But I guess I'll take a Gyarados Full Art, I guess. I did the wrong one. I did 4. Supposed to be 5 or something?
No, it's supposed to be 4.
I did 4 and I got off the back. I was like, I knew I failed at something. Oh well.
There you go.
Well, that was a surprise, I guess.
Is there another one?
It could
There's
be it.
another one. Another one, see?
It's a reverse hollow, but that's the best one.
But how could? Oh, so maybe this is the surprise, but
No,
it's
that's
in there. No, but that is in there because you did win 4.
I chose the better one, I guess. I got Gyarados. All right, here goes nothing.
Watch his dad get straight out a gold Pokemon.
I guess I chose the right one.
So you
Throw that one away. I guess do 4 then.
1, 2, 3.
3. Only 3.
3.
Yeah, because I did 4 and then it went to the 4th one was the good one. I don't know. I guess different packs.
No, because you also have.
No, 'cause I did 1 extra. That's why Gyarados went all the way to the front. Shiny Gyarados.
Shiny red Gyarados.
I don't know.
Yeah,
This
shiny Full Art.
That's nothing.
one. And you got 2, boy.
Guess the final day it's a shiny Gyarados.
Josh and April, you got the best.
Peace out, guys.